Hello guys, Love Trip. Nananad ng pambansang Kalakay.
Chicken. Ano ba yun?
So what is it? Diba?
Hindi, wait, parang alam ko yung lasa eh. Last, isa pa.
Isa pa.
Are you sure?
Yeah, malapit na eh, malapit na eh.
Okay, open.
Spam. Parang lasang spam.
Okay, what's your final answer?
Pero hindi naman sila nagpapakain ng...
Yeah?
Wala naman spam flavors of baby food. Sirit na, ano yun?
Okay.
Putang sabi ko ng laban eh.
Shit.
Gusto mo naman kinakain. You like eating it. And that's why I asked you if you are you sure?
Nakatatlo eh.
Dalawang beses ko pang tatlong beses na pang
Disgusting, oh my God.